Welcome back to origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper origami heart with wings. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters, and if you have paper that has color on one side and it's white on the other side, you will start with white side facing up. And first we'll fold our paper in half. And you will open it and fold it again in half. Now we'll bring one side of the paper to the center line. And we'll place it so that it's facing upwards, and we'll turn it around. Now we'll fold this side of the paper to the center line, so we'll just fold it like this, align it with the center line and press it down. And now do the same on the other side, so just bring it to the center line and press it down. In next step, we'll turn our paper around and we will fold it over on this line. So just fold it over like this. Again, we will flip our paper over and we'll bring this side of the paper to the center line. Like this. Repeat the same step on the other side. And now we will open this top part and bring the sides in and press it down. And do the same with the other side. So open it up and bring it in like this. In next step, we'll bring this side of the paper up to this line. So we'll fold the bottom in half, just like this. And now here comes the tricky part. We'll open this paper and take one side of it, try to open it a little bit, and bring this folded paper that we made upwards and align it like this on one side, so the bottom paper goes outwards. Just like this, so align it that it's in a perfect point here. Now we'll bring this flap of the paper and we'll fold it to this line. And we will fold it again in half. And if it's possible, we'll try to fold it again in half. And really press it down firmly. Now we'll open this that we just folded and we will fold it like harmonica, so it's zigzag, it's up and down. Again, it's up, or you can try with this side, so it's up and down on the lines that we folded. and again up, and just fold it till the end. Just like this. And now you open it and you bring it to the center, to the middle, where you pinch it a little bit. Like this. Now we'll fold the top corner down to this line. Like this. And we will also bring this one center corner downwards. And we'll fold this top point of the paper. You can fold it down where they meet, or you can fold it to the middle. It's up to you. I will fold it downwards to where the colors meet. Like this. And do the same with the other side. And fold the top point downwards. Just like this. And now again pinch it together, and once you turn your paper around, you will have origami heart with wings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like button and subscribe. But until next time, bye!